Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys, and in today's video we're going to be discussing this problem that many people have, how to fix Paytm payment is not transferring. So basically what the problem mainly is usually it's a KYC problem. Okay, this is the usual problem that many people have, which is KYC stands for know your customer. So if both the sender and receiver or either of them have not completed their KYC, basically they know your customer, then what happens is the transaction would actually not go through. And sometimes what actually happens is, not, uh, despite some people having completed the KYC process, what happens is if you're sending an amount which is higher than rupees 10,000, then you actually need to add the receiver as a beneficiary through your Paytm app. Okay, you need to actually do this if you're sending above 10,000. And also what happens is when we're trying to send money to another Paytm user, and if you get a pop-up that states that the user, the receiver, has not completed KYC, then what you can just do, you can just share the link to upgraded KYC with the receiver through your Paytm app directly. Okay, so they need to do this know your customer. Okay, they need to give their details, basically verifying themselves. Okay, and once the receiver actually upgrades, his or her account by completing their KYC, you can just send the amount to them without any issues, without any hassle, right? And also, what happens is, guys, you may not be able to receive a money through your to your account if your monthly limit has exceeded. So if you're sending money to someone where they have exceeded their monthly limit, they will not receive the money. Or if someone is sending money to you and you've exceeded your monthly limit, then it's also not going to go through. However, guys, if both you and the receiver have completed the end-to-end KYC process and you're still unable to use the wallet transfer services, you need to just contact their customer support directly with the details of the error received, and they will actually check it out. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and answered your question. If it did, guys, make sure you smash the like button as well as a subscribe to find your solution. And I'll see you guys in the next video.